This is the e-news from St. Richard's Episcopal Church in Winter Park, Florida. I am Dale Truscott, interim priest in charge until our rector, Allison Harity, returns from sabbatical on September 3rd. School has started for our students, and by the way for me also at Valencia College. Labor Day is approaching, and activities and opportunities are ramping up at St. Richard's. We will kick off the season on September 3rd when we welcome Allison back to the altar and pulpit and office. There will be a big celebration for families and folks of all ages after the 10:30 a.m. service with hot dogs, a water slide, food and drinks, and fun for all. There will be a reception in the breezeway after the 8 a.m. service as well. And because there is a baptism at the 10:30, the family is bringing cupcakes to celebrate. It'll be a great day. Divine Diners is this Sunday. It will be at Tachingan Mexican Kitchen at 6 p.m. If you'd like to attend, call Charlie Wilson, whose number is in this e-news and the Sunday Bulletin. Please note that the September Coalition for the Homeless Feeding Ministry will be a collection of money gifts rather than preparation of a salad. The dinner is on Friday, September 1st. You can make donations at the Red Booth or online at strichards.org. We are in the process of studying a number of options to revitalize our participation in this ministry. The Schola of St. Richard's is still looking for new singers, especially tenors. The vestry has approved and has received special offerings to cover the employment of a professional tenor part leader again this fall. Rehearsals for the Schola begin on Thursday, August 31st at 7 p.m. in the sanctuary. Please mark your calendars for quiet days at St. Richard's on Saturday, September 30th and Saturday, October 28th. These will be days of quiet refreshment with a number of choices for reflective activity. Lunch will be provided as part of the Lilly Foundation grant for Allison's sabbatical. More information is coming soon. St. Richard's will be participating again this year in Orlando's Come Out with Pride Parade on Saturday, October 21st. Joe and David Obrachta are leading the preparations for the parade. Mark your calendars for this. The Central Florida chapter of the American Guild of Organists is inviting St. Richard's congregation to attend the 2023-24 opening concert featuring Vox O Choral Ensemble Tuesday evening, September 26th at 7 p.m. in our own sanctuary at St. Richard's. Come to experience excellence in music. Now, if you're reading this e-news before Friday evening, August 24, our own Libby Harity will be interviewed this Friday at 9 p.m. on MSNBC on the Alex Wagner News Show. Be sure to watch. This fall, Libby will be attending Hampshire College, a creative and forward-looking college in Amherst, Massachusetts. We wish her well in her new educational setting and look forward to more information from her. Take note that the landscaping around our buildings is just about completed. Our landscaper has redesigned the drainage around our buildings to funnel water away from the buildings during heavy rains to prevent flooding. This is one of the last projects in the remediation of our facilities following the devastation from Hurricane Ian last year. Have a good week. We'll see you in church this Sunday. And you will see me one more time in next week's e-news before I hand the reins back to Allison. So stay tuned.